Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. So, when we become puzzled with these material affairs, what to do, not do, to do or not to do, this is the example. At that time, we must approach a guru. That is the instruction here, you see. Jatchya, prichhami tang dharma sangamurachita. When we are bewildered, we do not distinguish what is religious and what is not religious. Do not use our position properly. That is tatpanna dosha apahata sabha. At that time, there is need of guru. That is the Vedic instruction. Tad vijnanatham sa gurumeva vigacche. Srutriyam brahmanishtham. This is the duty, this is civilization. That we are meeting with so many problems of life. That is natural. In this material world, the material world is problems of life. Padanga padanga jada vipadam. Material world means in every state there is danger. That is material world. So, therefore we should take guide from Guru. From the teacher, from the spiritual master, how to make progress. Because that will be explained later on. That the goal of our life, in this, at least in this human form of life, in the Aryan civilization, the goal of life is to understand our constitutional position, what I am. What I am. If we do not understand what I am, then I am equal to the cats and dogs. The dogs, cats, they do not know. They think that they are the body. That will be explained. So, in such condition of life, when you are puzzled, actually you are puzzled every moment. Therefore it is necessary one should approach to a proper guru. Now, Arjuna is approaching Krishna, the first class guru. First class guru. Guru means the Supreme Lord. He is guru of everyone, Param Guru. So, anyone who represents Krishna, he is also guru. That will be explained in the 4th chapter. Evam parampara praptam imang rajarsayo vidu. So, Krishna is showing example where we should offer our surrender and accept Guru. Here is Krishna. So, you have to accept Krishna or his representative as Guru. Then your problems will be solved. Otherwise, it is not possible. Because he can say what is good for you, what is bad for you. He asking, Jat Shreya Sat, Nishtitam Bruhitam, Nishtitam. If you want advice and instruction, Nishtitam, which is without any doubt, without any illusion, without any mistake, without any cheating, that is called Nishtitam. That you can get from Krishna or his representative. You cannot get right information from the imperfect person or a cheater. That is not right instruction. Nowadays it has become a fashion. Everyone is becoming guru and is giving his own opinion. I think, in my opinion. That is not guru. Guru means he should give evidences from Shastra. The Shastra vidhimusrijya vartate kamakara. Anyone who does not give evidences, proof from the Shastra, then no siddhing savabnati. He does not get at any time success. No sukham, neither any happiness in this material world. Na parangati, and what to speak of elevation in the next life. These are the injunctions.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,